Chemists tend to measure large and complex numbers. For students just beginning their chemical education, the use of these numbers in calculations can be difficult. In order to simplify these calculations, chemists have come up with a number of rules to use significant figures in calculations. Now, the first rule has to deal with using addition and subtraction. When addition and subtraction is performed, the answers are rounded to the least significant decimal place. Now, for instance, let's look at this problem. 55 plus 2.3 equals 57.3. Now, we look at the least significant decimal places in the original two numbers. So, the least significant decimal place in 55 is the ones digit, and 2.3 is the tenths digit. So, we would round to the ones digit. So, the answer is simplified to rounded to the ones digit, so the answer is just 57. When multiplication or division is performed, the answers are rounded to the number of digits that correspond to the least number of significant figures in any of the numbers used in the calculation. For example, let's look at this. 3.24 times 4.1 equals 13.284. Now, in the original calculation, the number with the least number of significant figures is 4.1 with just two significant figures. So, we round the final answer to 13. Now, please try these practice problems. So when we do these calculations, we arrive at these answers, but we need to put them in the correct significant figures. So looking at the first problem, it's an addition problem, so we're looking for the least significant decimal place. For 62,000, the least significant decimal place is in the thousands digit, while 125.6, the tenths digit is the least significant decimal place. So the final answer has to be rounded to the thousands place. So the final answer is just 62,000. Question 2, we're dealing with subtraction, but we follow the same rules as addition. We're looking for the least significant decimal place. So looking at the two numbers, the ones digit is the least significant figure, so we need to round to the ones digit. So we're left with 33,258. Now, question 3, it's multiplication. So we need to figure out the significant figures of the original numbers, and the one with the least number of significant figures is the number of significant figures of our answer. So 123 has 3 significant digits, while 3.143 has 4 significant digits. So our answer needs to be in just 3 significant digits, or 387. Our final question, 6.02 times 10 to the 5th times 5.25. If you look at both of these numbers, they actually have the same number of significant digits. Both have 3 significant digits. So our answer needs to have only 3 significant digits. So our final answer actually is 3.16 times 10 to the 6th.